How to make NFT in Canva. Do you want to create your own NFT? Do you want to mint your NFT for free? Do you want to make money by selling your own original custom-made NFTs? If you are a beginner and you wish to create your own NFT, then you have come to the right place. Welcome to the NFT Guy. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can create your own NFT in Canva. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and share the video. But first things first, why NFTs? What are NFTs? And how can I earn by selling it? The NFT production and marketing approach is something that many artists and designers are exploring as a new way to make money. But NFTs are more than just a new way of selling art. They can protect the ownership of digital assets, give access to new communities, and even be used to register real-life patents. NFT, or non-fungible tokens, are a literal way of saying that they cannot be fixed or are one of a kind. They make digital content scarce and rare and extremely valuable. NFT represents the ownership of a specific file or object, such as artwork, videos, in-game items, and even houses for sale, and is stored on the blockchain. Despite recent examples of stolen and misappropriated work and NFT markets being hacked, moldless tokens are here to stay and are very important for artists. Galleries are beginning to see the need to showcase NFT collections in real life, and the best NFT displays are created to make your digital art look amazing. Where do NFTs sell? NFTs can be sold and purchased at NFT markets such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. Some of them are open to the public and some can only be used by invitation. Some are just art and some are video games. There is really an NFT market for everyone, so do some research and find one that is right for you. Now let's see, what is Canva? How will it help me create my own custom NFT? Canva is a free graphic design platform that allows you to easily create invitations, business cards, flyers, lesson plans, Zoom backgrounds, and more using professionally designed templates. You could even upload your photos and add them to Canva templates using the drag and drop interface. It's like having a basic version of Photoshop for free that doesn't require extensive editing information to use it. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can create different NFTs to sell using the Canva platform, so let's get into it now. First off, you're going to log into Canva using your email account or your Gmail account. You can use either one, and then you're going to be greeted onto your basic dashboard now. In your basic dashboard, you will simply click on the custom size right there and select the size you want. Now if you're free in pixels, you can start with pixels and move on. To go with a size of 1200 pixels by 180, but you can walk in inches if you find that a little more comfortable to work with. You can work with your own pixels, so you can lock even the size of your canvas so you don't move it by mistake, and you have adjusted the size. Now you will just click to create a new design, and this will open a new one. Now there are many ways to create your NFTs. You can choose to add your own image features or add one of those graphics. Items are provided in the camera area, or you can go and upload your photos now, because you'll just click the download media, and here you will enter their upload section first, and then you need to click the download media and then log into your media and open the item you want to upload just once. When an item is uploaded, it will appear in your photos section, which you can see, and just select it, and now you can just add it to your canvas so you can post it and resize it to fit your canvas properly. Once you have uploaded your basic image to your NFT canvas, you can start by adding your details now to any NFT you want, descriptions of your product below. There's a black box here in this section where you can add all your details which you want to get into your item section, and you can enter the lines, and in your composition you will simply select one of these basic squares, and then you'll be able to change the color here at the top left. Choose to make any NFT color deep color on your NFT camera platform. It'll give you photo colors, and within your photo colors you can choose one of those. And if you choose to design your NFT so you can do that, you'll just resize your block to fit in the category you hold. After that, you will just click on the text section on the left, and you can choose to add one of the font combinations, or you can just click to add a title and enter any details about your NFT. From here, find the font you really like and change the color of the text to white, and once you've done that, you will simply change its size and drag it to the real box you have. Now after that, I'll just take a look at different fonts to make sure it fits the look I want for my NFT, and we'll keep looking again. deciding on the font we want, and this looks great. One thing to note is that the size of the description is smaller than the actual size of the title you wrote for your box. Now, once you've done so, you can add your QR code. Post your text and drag it here in the box, and what I will do is search the frame. I will search the frame in the element section so you can get into your real thing. You will search the frame and you can see one of those little basic frames. Of course, you do not select a circular frame, just select a square. So you can just put that here, and we'll put this, and now you can start adding your image above or your QR code on top of your basic frame. So you'll just go back to your download section for media. For every NFT you have, you will have your own unique QR. Just click on the upload and you'll wait for your QR to load and then drag and drop it there. And now you can see our little QR uploaded in this subsection. If you don't like the frame, you can just delete it. This removes your frame and reverts to your item section and looks for a frame without borders. If you do not like the look of the borders, because I also do not like the look of the borders, I don't think it looks so good. So I'll just pick this one and hope this one just has no limits. We'll take you back here and we'll look back at our download and pick our QR code for our NFT and put it here. And know this will be kind of a trial and error process to get some stuff out of it. If I go through this rectangular section, I think this might work, so I'll just put it here. After my upload, select QR, put it like that, and now it will cut the QR, so I'll have to go with another one. And maybe I'll just go into this circle, and we'll hope it works well with it. QR edges because you do not want to make sure that the edges of your QR code. Is it perfect for a real frame? Because if those cuts will damage the whole purpose of your QR, then this fits well, and our QR looks good. So now we have a little section that describes our NFT and our NFT background. Now obviously I have a few detailed videos of how to do your NFTs, but you can do it this way. Create your NFT using Canva now. This is just one basic way to create your NFTs in Canva. You can definitely log into your basic dashboard and you'll click on create a new design without uploading images with your QR code. You have your NFT, you can go start creating a completely different NFT using the inverted objects. You can go into your photo section and add a few graphics to this section as well as this. And obviously, you can continue to design a few different things and design your digital NFTs with Canva. That being said, more and more artists and designers are making more money by selling NFT than ever before. It has been reported that more than $15 billion in primary and secondary sales of NFTs are on the Ethereum blockchain by 2021, up from $67 million a year ago. With so much to gain from NFT, it's worthwhile to learn the basics of how to make and sell NFT. Alright everyone, this brings us to the end of our video. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated.